You know, a lot of times when we think about jobs in construction, we think about the stereotypical picture that comes to mind, like dirt and flannel shirts and work boots and hard hats. But like any industry, construction has evolved. With increases in technology and training and improved equipment, now is a great time to consider a career in construction. Construction companies are always hiring hardworking, motivated employees who are either already skilled in a trade or willing to learn. You'll never be bored with a construction job because every day is different. Ohio ranks number 7 for construction jobs in the U.S. right now, and they're good jobs. Entry level with no experience can pay up to $15 an hour, and you can make a great career out of it too. It's not going to be phased out by technology, and look, they're always building something. The company that we're with today, Alveda Construction, has been around for over 50 years, and they have many employees who've made a career out of it over 15 years. Now, what's unique about Alveda is how it started 50 years ago as Kirk Brothers and now has evolved into Kirk Corporation, which includes Alveda Construction, Kirk Brothers Company, Alveda Trucking, Kirk Brothers Masonry, and Bodie Mechanical and Electrical Services. Let's talk about a couple of reasons that you might select a career in construction. Well, first of all, it's a growing field and salaries are growing as well. Plus, there's no desk involved in a construction job. You're out and about doing something different every day. Just like today, we're here at Frankert Electric talking with Charlie, who is making an appearance now. I always love talking with electricians because I always get just really energized because these guys come in and really just light up the job site. See what I did there with the energize and the light up? Is that an old electrician joke?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Is there a part of you that kind of wants to like tase me now?
No, absolutely not.
So Charlie, tell me about some of the skills that you look for in new employees here.
Just to be mechanically inclined. I mean, to be able to work with the screwdriver, tape measure, and eventually learn how to use a bender and go on from there. So
now you offer a lot of on-the-job training, right? What can people learn?
From the start to the finish, I guess, and there's never really a finish, but as far as, you know, putting a receptacle in up to running 3-inch conduit, putting in switchgear and so on.
Now you guys are longtime partners with Fostoria Learning Center. Tell me about how that partnership works.
Yep, Fostoria Learning Center, they have a electrical trades class down there that when they originally partnered with ABC, and you can start at any age or any time.
You know, obviously safety is really important in any construction job, but particularly electrical. You guys spend a lot of time planning to make sure everybody is safe. How do you do that?
The first day someone would start, they sit through and learn 8 hours of safety, of all different safe things that we do here on job sites.
Is working with electricity a dangerous job?
It can be, but it's safe when you know what you're doing and you pay attention to what the project manager is telling you what to do.
A lot of the times you guys aren't working on things that are energized in the first place, right?
99% of the time we're not.
Charlie's been good talking to you. I understand you've got somewhere you need to get to this morning.
Thank you.
All right, good talk. He's going to go out and do his thing. There's more information available through a variety of different sources on all kinds of construction jobs available right in and around Fostoria. We're here at Klaus Construction with Lenny Klaus. And Lenny, it's true that construction can be hard manual labor at times, right? But there's a lot more to it than just, you know, putting drywall up on studs.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The first thing everyone has to realize is the wheel doesn't turn until something's sold.
Right.
So from that point, we've got to get the job first. What we do as a design build general contractor, we'll take a look at every project, try to determine what's the best way to approach it, what's the best material, what's the best size. Then we develop the plans and get back with the owner. I call it tennis match, bounce it back and forth until we come up to a good solution that they can afford.
Now you have a lot of technology here in the shop. We were just kind of looking at some of the offices.
Yeah.
You've got people up there using AutoCAD, doing design work. What else is happening here?
We've got 2 guys pretty much exclusively just drawing details and plans and drawings up.
You mentioned that you have hired quite a few students through Sentinel Career Center in town, but what about some of the folks that come from some of the 4-year universities? Do you have any of the BGSU construction management students here?
Oh yeah, there's at least a half a dozen of them here. And I've always encouraged them. A lot of them worked here like during the summer, and then I'd encourage them to to go there to improve things like their computer skills, maybe some of the design engineering stuff, because there again, that's where it all starts.
Yeah. Well, Lenny, the construction industry is projected to grow by double digits over the next several years. Do you see that here in your company too?
Yeah, I see a lot of growth here in the next few years. I think it'll be pretty steady and looking forward. But every year's different. You never know what to expect. So.
Well, as technology continues to grow, so do the opportunities in construction right here in and around Fostoria. So what do you need for a career in construction? Well, if you're anything like me, you got to conquer your fear of heights, which I'm currently doing here at St. Mark's in Findlay. The other thing you need, according to Pat, who runs Whittick Construction, if you're willing to work hard, show up on time, and give it your all, you can make a lifelong career in this role. And there will be positions open in construction for a long time because, look, it's not a job that's going to get phased out by technology, and it's not going to be, it's just not going to go away because people are building stuff all the time, even up this high like my friend here and I are. If you'd like to find out some more information about what's available in our area, get in touch with our friends at Jobs Fostoria.